Hi, my Kayla crew, welcome back. So today I've got a Stitch Fix box to share with you. So this box came a bit early. I'm finally getting a chance to film it. Now, this box I asked for, I saw a cardigan over on Favor's channel on Life with Favor. It was so pretty. It was like a ColorBlock cardigan and I just wanted to try it myself. My stylist Amanda delivered. She found the cardigan and I have some other fun fall pieces. So let's dig in and see what's inside. Okay, so we're off to a good start. This blouse is by Fun to Fun, and this is the Kenmore split neck blouse in off-white, $42. The fabric is 98% polyester and 2% spandex, but this polyester is more of like the crepey feeling polyester, you know what I mean? Okay, so I love the neckline. Oh, it's kind of, there we go. The split V neckline, I really like that. I love the print. I'm coming closer so you could see the print. What do you think? You know, I tried on a blouse the other day and it kind of had that little shoulder, like a mini puff. This one kind of has that same detail. I think it's so cute. So I like the length of this top. Now I have it on with my dark wash denim jeans, like my really dark wash denim jeans. I think it looks nice with that, but you can also wear it, like these look black. They're very dark. But you could also wear it with your black jeans, your black pants. It would be a good work blouse, but you could also wear it a bit more casually. I really think this blouse is cute. It does have elastic sleeves, but you can see they're not tight to my wrists. You know what I mean? So I think this is a really nice blouse. It feels nice. I know some of you don't care for polyester. This doesn't bother me. I can wear a lot of polyesters and they don't bother me. And like I said, this one is more of that crepey material. It's not too thick either. So I think this will be nice for going into the fall. Well, yeah, we are in the fall, huh? Aren't we, Kayla? So I think it's a cute work blouse, but like I said, you could also dress it down, and it's vest season. And I'm gonna pull out my vest soon, although it's been very warm this weekend. So it's not, I think this week might cool down a little bit, but like yesterday we almost hit 80 here, which I'm not complaining, I'm happy. But what was I saying? Oh, the vest. So I'm picturing like a faux fur, you know what I'm talking about, my faux fur vest with this top. I think it would be really cute as it gets colder. Oh, I gotta show you the back, hang on. So I like the length in the back as well. I'll come closer again so you can see the print. I really like the print. It's, you know what? Can you see that it's got a little bit, I wish it was coming across on camera. It almost looks like dark teal blue in part of the floral print. So I think it's really pretty. So I think this one's a keeper. $42 is not too bad either. All right, let's move on to the next piece. Okay, so this sweater is by Design History. It's the Disha high-low tunic in mustard. I didn't think this was mustard. What do we think? I think it's more of like a brown. Well, I don't know, maybe not. Let's talk about it. $68, it's 97% polyester, 3% spandex. In her note, she did reference that she knows it's a bit of a splurge, but she felt like it would be a good piece to go with a bunch of different colored bottoms, and she suggested pairing it with a skirt that I got earlier this year, which I'm not home, so I can't grab it to try, but I'm gonna try that when I get home. What do you think about the sweater? Now, I almost feel like it's too close to my skin tone. What do you think? The neckline, surprisingly, doesn't bother me. Usually, you know, I don't like things too close to my neck. I know it's not that close, but still. So what do you think? I like the concept of this sweater. I just don't know about the color. The color, you know, it doesn't feel like polyester. This feels very soft. It does. I like the length of it. And again, this would be a good fall piece. I really like the cut of the sweater a lot too. And you know what? I am in need of sweaters. I just picked one up the other day, but I need a couple more. I have a lot of cardigans and I need more sweaters like this. So I would be willing to pay the price. The only thing I'm hesitating about is the color. So it does have some ribbing detail here on the wrists. I got it right the first time. I didn't say my ankles. We're doing well. And then it does have a bit of the same ribbing detail, on the bottom of the sweater. So I think it's cute, but like I said, I just don't know about the color. I hope it's coming across screen. It is. It's coming across just like I see it in person. I like it, but I just don't know if it works for me. Okay, let me show you the back. But she's right, I could get a lot of use out of this sweater with different, like I said, I have it on with my dark jeans, but I could wear it with a lot of different colors. Even like I can wear with my olive green pants. Remember I picked up those in Old Navy? So I feel like it would go with a lot. Let me know if you think the color works. I'll be curious to know what you see. It's very soft. It would look cute under vests too, even with like a longer necklace. Yeah. All right, I'm gonna change, I'll be right back. Okay, so before I talk about this next top, I wanna show you the back of the sweater has the ribbing detail all the way along the back side. It's not just on, you know, the bottom of it. So the front is just the solid and then the back has the ribbing detail. So I really like it. I just don't know about the color. That's the only thing I don't know. So you guys are gonna help me out with that one, please. You guys are always so good about that. So, all right, the next top is by Fortune and Ivy. It's the Helina mixed material blouse in black, $38. So the front of the blouse is 100% polyester. The back is 95% rayon and 5% spandex. I don't know how I feel about this blouse. I think it's cute, but sometimes I don't know if I care for like the, you know, the back is solid. So let's talk about it. So I do like the neckline of this blouse a lot. I think it's very pretty. And I'm gonna come closer so you could see that there's 3 buttons. They're not functioning buttons, but they just kind of are there for decoration. They're the same colors and pattern of the top, so they really blend in. I didn't even notice them at first. So I like the length of this top. I do, and I like the sleeves too. Now, see how you could, what am I trying to tell you? The polyester fabric, the printed fabric goes all the way around the sleeve, but in the back, you'll see. So actually I should pull my hair to one side so you can see better when I turn around. So it also goes around the neckline, but then the rest of the top in the back is just black. So let me show you. So, you know, I think it's really cute. So like I said, right now it's been a bit warmer here. And so this would be a good top to wear to work. In the morning, I could put a cardigan over it, run into work, and then I'm ripping off layers. I am, because it gets warm throughout the day. So I do like this top. It would look nice with black pants for work, but then I could also wear it with like a pair of lighter pink pants in the spring to match the print. So I think I could get a lot of use out of it. It's not a bad price either. Did I show you the print close up? It's not a floral print. From far away it does, but it's not floral. At least I wouldn't call it floral print. So let me know what you think. All right, I'm gonna move on. Actually, you know what? I don't think I have anything to try on the cardigan with because like I said, I'm not home. So I may have to put the cardigan over this. Let's do that. Okay, so this is the cardigan that I requested that I saw on Favor's channel over at Life with Favor. Now this is by Pinque. It's the Barras 2-pocket ColorBlock cardigan in light gray, $46, 94% polyester, 3% nylon, and 3% spandex. So I know it doesn't match nicely with the top I have underneath, but I really like this cardigan. I think it's, oh, you know what? I think I have a white tank. Oh no, I don't know if I brought it. Second guessing myself. So I like the length of this cardigan a lot. I was gonna change if I had it with me because it might be easier to see the cardigan. But what do you think about it? I think it's really cute. I love the gray. It's got that pink color. It's got the white, like the off-white ivory kind of color. It's got that like cognac color, and then the bottom is a darker gray. So I think it's a really cute, the sleeves are a bit long. I almost feel like it's, oh, it has pockets. It's a win. It's a win. I love it. So I think it would be really cute with like, you could wear a lot underneath this. So you could wear your gray. You could wear a pink color like this if you have it. You could wear the ivory. Probably even wear black underneath this. So I think it's really cute, really versatile for the, you know, the cooler weather. How cute would it look like with a pair of cognac color booties? Yep, pulling it all together. And you know what I like? That the stripes line up when my arms are down. 2 thumbs up for that. Who's with me on that one? That makes me happy. So what do you think about it? I think it's a cute fall cardigan. Let me show you the back. Yeah, I really like it. What do you think about the fit? I think it's cute. So I think I'm gonna keep this one. I wanted it, so yeah, I don't know if I wanna let it go. I think I could wear it a lot with this. And I could dress it up for work, or I could like wear it more casually. So I think it's a win. All right, I have a pair of earrings to show you. So let me grab those and I'll be right back. All right, I'm back to show you the earrings. So these are by EVERRI. They're the Milan mother of pearl drop earrings in white. They are $30. So they're very pretty. Aren't they cute? I love them. Okay, so you know what? These go nicely with the top I have on. They'll go nicely with the cardigan, right? How pretty would that be? And that first top too. And you know what? Even with that mustard colored top, they'd go nicely. Amanda, you did a great job. She always does. I really love, I know I say this all the time, but I love my stylist, Amanda. A couple of you actually have her too, and you agree. She does a great job. So I really appreciate you, Amanda. So thank you for, you know, sending me really awesome boxes. And I hope that you never leave Stitch Fix because it'll be a sad day for me. And a lot of you guys do that have Amanda. Okay. Oh, I'm struggling to get these earrings in. What happened? Oh, okay. It came with a rubber thing too. You know how it comes, the backing comes with the rubber and the metal post sometimes? Oh, they're so pretty. I like them. What do you think? Oh, I think it's cute. Let me put the other one in. You know, I normally don't try on the earrings unless I know for sure I'm going to keep them because I like to keep them nice and, you know, fresh for the next person. But I really like them. I don't own any earrings like this. And so I think these will be a nice addition to my collection. So I think I'm going to keep these for sure. All right. Let's see if I can get this one in. The struggle is real, huh? I feel like I've been saying that a lot lately. All right, hang on. No, of course, because I'm on camera. But if I was, you know, getting ready for work in the morning or just, you know, getting ready, it'd go on so easily. I guess I should be thankful for that, right? So I wouldn't be late for work. How come I can't get this one in? Oh, goodness. You guys have those days sometimes? Okay. So what do you think? Oh, I think they're really pretty. Oh, fix my hair. Yeah, I think they're very pretty. I like them a lot. Yeah, so I think I'm going to keep them. Let me know what you think. All right, I'll be right back. We'll do a recap. All right, so let's talk about this great box. I might end up making this a 5 for 5, but I'm going to have to watch back and see about that sweater. I'm not positive yet, so it could go a couple different ways. All right, so the whole entire box is $224. If I were to keep all 5 items, that takes off 25%, bringing the total to $168. Plus, I already paid my $49, I think it was last week that I paid that, the Style Pass for the year. So now I have that credit to use towards a future box. Probably this box, because there's definitely gonna be a few keepers in this box, if not everything. Oh gosh, okay, last box I sent everything back, and this time I may end up keeping it all. You know, I've gotten the most 5 for 5s from Amanda. I have. She does such a great job. And what I loved about this box is that it really filled some gaps in my wardrobe. She sent me some unique pieces, and you noticed there wasn't any of the leopard print or animal print in this box, so we're stepping away from it. We're gonna fill the gaps with other items in my wardrobe. All right, so the earrings for sure are staying with me. I know I'm gonna get a lot of use out of these, and not just in the fall or with the items that she sent me in this box. I could pull these year round. I think they're so pretty, and I know I have a lot of jewelry, but I don't own anything like this, and I'm really drawn to them. So yeah, these are staying with me. All right, that was easy. Now, let's go to the difficult item. This is the sweater that I'm not sure about. I'm putting the sweater close to my face so you could see. Does it work for me? I don't know. I want it to work because I love the cut, and surprisingly, the neckline didn't bother me. And so for that reason, it would be a good addition to my wardrobe because I don't own, first of all, I don't own much in this shade of mustard. Yes, I'm wearing mustard today. Mustard's hard for me to wear sometimes, but I really, you know, I think if it's too light, you're gonna have to let me know. I really want this to work. So let me know your opinion on this. It's the most expensive item in the box, but I'm willing to pay it. Can I pull it off? Let me know. It's so soft. Okay, now this cardigan is staying with me. I love the cardigan, the ColorBlock cardigan. Whoops, and it's the tag is stuck on something. There we go. So yeah, this is staying with me. I really like it. And originally I thought, ooh, I'm gonna pair it right away, right off the bat with my cognac colored booties. But now I'm thinking, why didn't I think of my gray booties? I have some cute gray booties. I actually have a darker pair, like the one on the bottom, and I have a lighter pair, so I can wear it with both. So I think I'll get a lot of use out of this cardigan. The Fun blouse, the first blouse I tried on, I really love this blouse. This will be a great work blouse. I love the neckline of this blouse. And I've been receiving a lot of the darker floral prints, and this is a lighter one. I like it. And I think it works for fall because it still has the darker Like the floral print is actually darker, you know? So yeah, this is gonna stay too. And I know if I keep this, I'll pull for it because it's a good layering piece. So what do you think? At first, I didn't know if I was crazy about the mixed material with the back being just black and then the pattern being on just the front. But I think because the pattern and the material of the polyester like kind of goes around the arms and around the neckline, I think it makes it special. So I think I may end up keeping this blouse too. So is it a 5 for 5? If I can pull off the color of this sweater, then it is. So let me know what you think. Thanks so much for watching and for spending some time with me today. I really appreciate it. I hope you're all doing well, and I will see you in my next video.